Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, guys. So, anyways, you've seen the preview is on sale. That's why I bought it, guys. Some most of the time I don't buy any like if it's original price. I've always I don't buy like a regular price, guys. If I something, I have to wait until they put it on sale. And this time, and they did, so I grabbed. this, Um, yeah, it was on sale, and this shoe that we are going to unbox today, it's only like $54 and change, and originally it was $120, and it is nice, online. If you see it online, it is nice looking, and I don't know about in person because I haven't seen it yet, so this is the first time, guys. And it says here Runstar Motion, CX platform seasonal color. So by the way, this shoe, it can be either for male or female. It's a unisex type shoe, guys. So everyone can wear this shoe, guys. So anyways, let's open the box of the shoe. So it says they're Converse, and the size is here 10.5. So I don't know why usually order 10.5, but I forgot that the Converse company, when they make a shoe, it looks like, even though it's your own size, I feel like it's always like larger. Like you are size if your feet is size 10, pick the size 9.5, because I think it's gonna be like bigger, guys. That's what I think. So I hope it makes sense, guys, to you what I explained. So see, look, the box is huge because it's 10.5. So I don't know if it's gonna be like you know bigger or something. OMG, look at this, guys. Look at this shoe. It's so chunky. It's like the Louis shoe when they make those chunky shoes, guys. It's kind of like this. So hopefully it will help to increase my height. It's kind of like, I think there's like, look, maybe like 2 inches or something. So definitely I will try this today at work, guys. Because my coworkers are like taller than me, and they're like all female, and it's not fair, and I'm small, you know what I mean? So sir, pair, guys. So hold on for a moment. So there's nothing in the box, it's just the tissue paper. Let me put this away. Yeah, so anyways, this shoe again is a, the Converse. I think they're all made in Canvas. So I haven't white, and then there's also black, and then it has a star here on the back of the shoe. So yeah, canvas, orange color, 10 and a half, with white and black, and then the big star on the back of the shoe. And yeah, hopefully it won't slip when I wear it, because I don't know, maybe I'm gonna look like McDonald's in this shoe. But look, it's so nice. It's so nice online, and it's nice in person too, guys. And the Converse, the name of the brand, and then this is 10.5, and Euro size is 44.5, and it's men's, right there. And then yeah, it's very chunky, guys, and it looks like it's gonna increase my height when I wear this one, maybe like an inch or 2 inches or something, guys. And then there's like a star here on the heel, and There's a star on the back in there, and then of course the famous logo, Converse. You know, Converse brand right there. Converse All Star. There's a lot of on sale going on at Converse, guys, and I think this is the only one. Let me see. Out of this particular, model is on sale, and I just picked this one because I want to, try it out first. And I've never had this kind of, like this style of shoe. Well, I think this was I think it was released, yeah, last year, right? This kind of design, I think it was released last year, and I've seen these like couple of months ago when I go to the mall, and I was like, maybe I want to buy this one, but I told myself I have to wait until um, they release it on sale. But now it's on sale, that's why I bought one, guys. So um okay, so this particular shoe or this particular model, guys, they call it seasonal color. It's because it's only one solid color on the shoe. There's no mix of any other colors or design, so they call it seasonal color. So I pick the orange and black one, but there's also like uh different colors available, guys. I saw purple or yellow or red or black, and they're also on sale, but at different prices, guys. So I don't know why. Maybe because there's no more. I think there's like a limited sizes for this shoe. So you can visit the website, guys, converse.com, and they still have on sale. And yeah, there's a lot of choices, and yeah, but I picked this one because I like orange as well and red, and yeah, just try it on, guys. Hold on for a moment. All right, guys. So that is my regular height, and let me see inch taller or more. Hold on, guys. And 1.5 um, inches. Yeah. See, look. So that is my height, 5'5", and looks like I grew a little bit taller, which is awesome, guys. So let me see. Anyway, so that is my shoe. It looks very comfortable, guys. I think I'm gonna wear this um, at work today. But look at the shoe. It's very chunky. It looks so huge, but it's not. It's just the design that makes it so big. And see, look at that. One instead of this side. So yeah, I don't know why. So anyways, kind of look like the Louis chunky shoes. I don't know if you know about that, the Louis Vuitton shoes. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna buy another one of these, guys. So this is just the regular design, which is the seasonal color, guys. So they also have different design online. You can pick and choose. But yeah, so I don't know. So this was on sale when I purchased this. Let me see, guys. So this is the website. They have it on sale right now, and So these are the seasonal color, because this one seasonal color because it's only one color, and this is the, looks like the, this one is nice. Look at this, guys, the white one. But this one is $94. So I don't know why it's more expensive. And this one is 99. So let's check this out, guys. So it says here, this is Run Star High Platform Twisted Classic, because it has a design, the color. They have a lot of colors going on in the shoe. That's why. So yeah. So anyway, so that is the other design. So this is more expensive because a lot of colors on the shoe. I'm gonna wait until the Black Friday. Maybe they're gonna have more. Oh, look at this one. So let me see this. Where is it? So this one is another seasonal color, and because it's only gray, but this one is not like the regular Converse, so guys. It's not like high top or something. This is like the low one. This one is cool, and it's only $54. So maybe I'm gonna try this too. This is awesome, guys. And yeah, so anyways, guys, so that's gonna be our video for today. So if you guys like unboxing, haul, and shopping, you're in the right channel. But if you're not, then goodbye. So anyway, guys, thank you for unboxing with me today. And so that is gonna be my shoe for this weekend. And what else? I don't know. I think that's it, guys. Thank you again for watching, and you guys have a good day.